Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and boy oh boy did we make a good trade today and locking in those gains. As you can see, Bitcoin is starting to come back down right now, back down to 29,000 after we rallied up all the way up to 31,700. So if you guys didn't take your profits today, then you would have missed out on some big gains and you might actually be in some losses right now as Bitcoin is starting to come down, reversing all the gains that we accumulated over the last couple of days. But yeah, overall, congratulations to gold members locking in 19% win on a 10% trade of our portfolio, so bringing our percentage gain to over 81.62%. We have successfully locked in 87% win rate on all our trades. So if you guys want to see trades, you guys can join the Discord. Moving on, let's get into the TA. Let's dive right into it. Let's take a look at market cipher on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. It is still looking bullish with a -5 and a 15, so looking good for Bitcoin at the moment as the momentum waves start to anchor up. But let me remind you, let's take a look at the Nasdaq quickly, and the Nasdaq is looking quite bearish right now with a red dot and a -3. We are still in that red money flow, and we have a red dot as well right here with the momentum wave. So if we do start to go down, then you're probably going to see Bitcoin getting dragged down as well, and this bullish candle right here could be invalidated. It could turn red very quickly. We've seen it many times before where daily candles with a -5 and a 15, or even a 26 and a -5 turns into a red dot or a red X with a -5 at the bottom here, and very bearish, a lot of bearish numbers. So just pay attention to that, and let's take a look at the hash ribbons right now quickly, and we can see that they are very, very close to crossing. If we do get a cross, it is possible that we get a capitulation. As you can see near the end of the bear markets, when we get a capitulation cross, you get a 50% correction on average. So you can take a look right here back in 2014 near the I guess you could say the peak, the end point of where Bitcoin is going to drop. You can see that once we got a capitulation cross, Bitcoin ended up dumping over 56% there. So just paying attention to the hash ribbons. Again, they are lagging indicator, but they are very reliable indicator in my opinion. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, and we should dive into some altcoins, as some altcoins had some beautiful short opportunities today. So if you guys were in the Discord, you guys get access to the charts, and you would have been able to nail some of those short positions right there. So we'll actually take a look at Solana right now. We can see that Solana actually ended up pumping beautifully from the 37.50 level right here and coming up and touching the $44.30 level, and right there would have been a beautiful point to enter a short. If you'd have shorted 44.36, you'd be up over 9% right now. So you've been doing pretty well in your short position. So if Bitcoin keeps going down, you're going to see these altcoins start to bleed massively. Let's actually go take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. It is starting to come back down right now, but if the altcoins sell off significantly faster than Bitcoin, then you're going to see the Bitcoin dominance rise a lot faster. Now the big question is still, can Bitcoin rise towards the upside? Now, we closed a daily candle above this range. Oops, I just moved my price target. We've closed a beautiful daily candle pumping up all the way towards the upside. But what you're going to see is that institutions love to mess with the price. They'll pump up the price, a daily close above here, but it hasn't confirmed, and they can reverse the price all the way back down just as fast. Something that we've seen right here when the Bitcoin price was about to break down, and they pumped it all the way down here. They had a red, a daily candle close, and then the next day they reversed it back up, and then they did it once again down here, and then once again up here, and then this was the real deal. Once you saw multiple candle closes, this was when you knew that the Bitcoin price was on its way towards the downside, because once they could push the price down to this level and reverse it the next day, but they can't keep the price under this level for too many days, because it's just going to cost the institutions too much money at that point to start to reverse the price back up. So so if we start to get multiple candle closes on top of this level, then yes, you're going to see that's going to be your confirmation. And if the Bitcoin price is already at 33,000, then yeah, you might expect a little bit more upside. But if you see one candle close up here the next day, you could expect that they are going to reverse the price back down towards the downside. Now let's take a look at some other altcoins right here. I don't think anything happened to ADA. ADA not as a beautiful chart as before. You know, we did get rejected from here at the 60 cents level, but right now it's trying to hold it as support, failing at the moment as Bitcoin starts to go down. Actually, Project Elrond is something I really wanted to take a look at. As you can see, this falling wedgie, very bullish pattern right now. So if it could get to maybe around $62 or $61, I'd be interested to maybe putting in a small long. And if that level starts to break, then you can start to take a look at $54.07. But again, if we do start to break out, it'd be very bullish. Again, it'll also be very bullish for Bitcoin, it coinciding for a potential, you know, June rally, a relief rally. We are still in some longs. I am still in my non-leveraged long, so no stress there in my opinion. Those trades are stress-free, very relaxed. I just waiting for the price action, you know, to start to go back up. And once that happens, we're going to exit our positions in some nice profits. But for the time being, we are still going down. Let's take a look at XMR. Actually, XMR getting very close to 181.90 cents. If XMR starts to go down a little bit more, I might start to chance along, but I don't want to see Bitcoin break 30,000. If Bitcoin breaks 30,000, which it is right now, and it keeps dumping towards the downside, then I'm going to start to wait out and wait for Bitcoin to start to restabilize before I enter any positions in the altcoins. But yeah, overall, a big candle dump right now for the Bitcoin price. It's very possible that we could even go as low as 28,800 and retest these lows before, you know, we get a breakdown or a break up. You know, it's still just chop. If we come back into this range and we get a daily close in this range, nothing has changed. We're still going to be in this pattern. We're still going to be chopping sideways. You know, we want to break out towards the upside with multiple candle closes above, and then, you know, that'll be confirming it. But for the time being, kind of looks like a very ugly M pattern right now. And, you know, if we do come back to that lower end, it's gonna be around 29,400, around that area. But, you know, don't bet the farm on it. I'm just gonna wait and see what happens, and I'll let you guys know when I enter another trade. And that's how we've managed to stay so successful, is that we don't take every single trade that we see. You know, we just wait it out and we enter a trade every now and then we, you know, have a very high success rate. It's not about how many trades you enter, it's about how many ones that you're able to win, and, you know, the ones that you're able to reduce losses at least, right? Sometimes we enter a bad trade, but we'll average in and we'll manage to get out at, you know, a 1% profit, which is basically break even in my opinion. Anyways, guys, let's take a look at a few more other things. I don't know if I have it up. No, I don't. It's okay. I guess I'll just show you guys in this Discord tonight. I guess the exclusive Discord membership only charts. But yeah, I'll show you guys in Discord of a special chart that I made for you guys. But yeah, overall, if the Nasdaq starts to dump tomorrow, then you're gonna see the Bitcoin price start to dump as well. Anyways, thanks for listening, guys. Love you guys. Peace. And congratulations to all you gold members. If you guys want to support the channel, you guys can join the Discord, or you guys can sign up using my BitGet link, which is the exchange that I use to trade crypto. And yeah, peace.